About half the human genome is composed of repetitive sequences that resemble viruses. These are invaders. They're invasive sequences often called transposable elements. And they can cause a lot of damage to the genome when they move around. In fact, there are more of these sequences than there are genes. There are some crucial periods during early development, for example, in the formation of sperms and egg cells, as well as in the early embryo, when the genome has to be reprogrammed in order to reset the marks that allow it to form every important cell type in the body. During that time, these transposable elements, these invaders, get activated as a sort of unintended consequence of this reprogramming. And so the genome has to defend itself against these invaders. We know a lot about how it defends itself in sperm and in eggs, but in the early embryo it was a mystery because the small RNAs that are required for transposon silencing were not found in the early embryo. What we've found now is a new class, actually a very ancient class of small RNA that works in the early embryo to defend against these virus-like transposable elements.
That's very exciting to us because these tRNA fragments are found in all organisms people have looked so far, like in unicellular organisms, in plants, in animals. And so it was clear they must have an important role, and we found they can actually inhibit transposition, transposons, viruses, prevent them to make any damage.